Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a command handler. A command handler makes it so you don't have to store all your commands code in index.js. This means your code is way less messy and it's easier to make edits. First we need to get the command's arguments and so we can pass them through to our command handler. This is quite simple. So we just do var args equals message.content.split space. That's all we have to do. Now we can find the command that we actually want to run. Again, this is fairly simple. So we just do args.split. No, not split. Shift, sorry. Dot slice. Prefix dot length to lowercase. Okay, so now we've done that, we can make the actual command handler. We're going to put this in try, so if something goes wrong, we don't crash our code. And we are just going to console.log the error. Okay, so now we can just acquire the file. Commands. By the way, we are going to make a folder for this. .js. .js is important. And we're just going to create a folder called commands. Quite simple so far. Now we're just going to run that code. We're going to pass through client, the message, and the message's arguments. And now we can just remove that bit of code and we have made our command handler. Simple, right? Now we can make a new ping command. So we can just make the command ping.js. Now in here you have to use exports.run equals async client message args and put your code in here. You cannot put your code here. Must be in here. So we're just going to create that command again. Pong client.websocket.ping milliseconds. Okay, so now let's see if this works. I'm going to go and have to replace the token in config.json. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and now I've got my bot connected to Discord and ready. So all we have to do is test it. So let's just see if the ping command works. And it does, and I've got an insanely high ping for some reason. I hope this video is helpful. Please like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.